Captivating videos of skilled construction workers will show you rare moments in the industry that highlight the extraordinary skills of these builders, who have developed processes that not only meet but more than expectation. Let's get started with Worker TV and explore. This craftsman uses the most traditional techniques to create perfect lines on the plaster ceiling. Watch how this worker manipulates to cut the tile near the electrical outlet. This guy is building a 2-room underground house made entirely of wood. Let's see how he created it. The speed at which these workers transport mortar is truly remarkable. By continuously turning the skewers, the meat cooks evenly. To create such a brilliant and colorful sphere, you need to have a sharp sense of color like this worker. With just a strong water jet, you can easily and quickly remove tree bark. With just a small piece of paper, this worker perfectly patched a hole in the drywall. Holding a bucket of mortar at this height is really no easy task. From imperfect stones, these workers have created a beautiful path. The path in front of these guys' house seemed to have issues, so they decided to redo it entirely, including the drainage system. This guy installed 2 new metal sheets to solve the problem of water leaking through the vent. Without following the journey of the craftsman, you wouldn't realize these stones are fake. This guy perfectly measured the distance to cut the tile to fit the electrical outlet. This girl must have superhuman strength to bend those steel bars. This drywall corner needs careful attention as it prevents cracking and enhances the aesthetic appeal of the project. Watch how this guy creates the most unique patterns for his room. With skillful hands, this girl created a stunning three-dimensional painting. This artist created a beautiful painting thanks to his skillful color mixing and perfect arrangement.